Hey, this is Brady Stroud from SSW. And at SSW, we build some complex enterprise solutions for lots of different clients. One of the trickiest parts about being a consultant is managing clients' expectations and keeping them happy. So, we do get a lot of practice with this because we work with lots of different clients, but it would be great if we could practice on not real clients. So, I've just found a cool way of doing that with ChatGPT Advanced voice features. So if I click this little white button here, there you'll see that white circle will slowly grow. And now it's nice and big. So that means ChatGPT is awake. How are you doing, ChatGPT?
I'm here and ready to chat. How about you? How's your day going?
Pretty good, thanks. I'm just recording a video and I want to talk about how I can use ChatGPT to help me be a better software consultant. So I want you to pretend to be an annoyed client because you just got to work and you noticed that SSW, the company you're paying to build your website, is spending time fixing bugs that they created instead of building the features that you want. So, ring, 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 ring. Hello.
Hello. Look, I'm really frustrated. I hired SSW to build my website, but it seems like all your team does is fix bugs that you created in the first place. When are you going to start working on the new features I actually need?
Well, not anytime soon. It's not really our fault. Your business is very complex, and during our sprint reviews, when you do turn up, you barely pay attention. So it's there's going to be bugs because we're going to have to. We need your help to work out the business problems.
I understand that my business is complex, but isn't it your job to understand those complexities? I hired
Yeah, but
SSW
it's
because
a
you're
give and
to.
take. I can only do so much. We need some help from you.
I get that, but it feels like I'm not seeing the progress I was promised. What can you do to ensure we start seeing some real development on the features we need?
Look, we can write some tests and stuff, but not much. We really need you to help us out.
All right, I see that my involvement is crucial here. I'll make sure to be more available for sprint reviews and provide the necessary input.
All right,
But I
go
need
back
your
to being
assurance that we.
ChatGPT and give me some feedback.
Nice work. You did well at keeping the conversation going while highlighting the importance of client involvement. A bit more acknowledgement of the client's frustration and reassurance that their concerns will be addressed could make them feel more heard. Balancing the need for their input with proactive steps from your side would help build trust. All in all, a solid effort.
Okay, let's do another one. Same example.
Sure thing.
Ring, 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 ring. Hello.
Hello, I've just checked the progress on our project and I'm really disappointed. Why is SSW spending so much time fixing bugs instead of building the features we agreed on? I expected more progress by now.
Really sorry about this, Bob. I understand your pain. So, bugs in software is very common and it's hard to avoid. So, I mean, I'm sure you would understand as a business owner that things go wrong sometimes, and I'm sure you spend a lot of your day just putting out lots of fires around the place. So, yeah, we are going to fix these bugs. We're going to add some tests to make sure they don't happen again. And in the spec review,
I,
we actually did allow for 20% of our time to go towards bug fixes. And we
I
are
see.
still within that 20%.
It's good to know there's a plan in place for handling bugs. I just want to make sure we're not losing sight of the bigger picture and the features we need. How can we ensure we stay on track with the overall project timeline?
Yeah, I understand. So I think something that would be really helpful is if you could prioritize joining our sprint reviews. We discuss what we did in the previous week. Then in the sprint planning meetings that follow, we discuss what we plan to do in the upcoming week. So I think you would be up to date if you could join those meetings.
That sounds reasonable. I'll make it a priority to join the sprint reviews and planning meetings. Hopefully, that will help us align better and keep things moving forward.
Awesome. All right. Well, thanks for your time, Bob. Thanks for the call. I better get back to fixing these bugs.
Thanks for addressing my concerns. I'll look forward to seeing some progress soon. Take care.
All right, go back to being ChatGPT. Give me some feedback. Be harsh.
All right, here it goes. Your approach was decent, but it felt a bit too passive at times. You need to take more ownership of the issues and offer clear solutions to reassure the client. Comparing software bugs to putting out fires was a good analogy, but it came off as deflecting responsibility. The client wants to hear how you're going to fix things, not just why they went wrong. You need to be more assertive in steering the conversation towards solutions. Overall, tighten up your responses and take charge.
All right, thanks, ChatGPT. That's all I need.
You're welcome. If you need more help,
No, I don't. So that was interesting. I thought the first one was terrible. I was quite aggressive and I blamed the client. I expected some feedback. I think the second one was much better, but I got harsher feedback. That's probably because I said be harsh. So maybe I should say that every time. ChatGPT is typically positive, so maybe it's good to reinforce the fact that we want valuable criticism, not just compliments. But it did pick up on some things that I did miss. So it's still a useful tool, even though overall it might just lean towards giving us good compliments instead of actionable criticism. Anyway, I hope this is interesting. Interested to see what other use cases you have for this advanced voice feature in ChatGPT. All right, have a good one.